Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a Will It Fit video with a 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL. It's got a 3.5-inch suspension lift on it, some 20x12 with a negative 44mm offset wheels, and some 37 1350 R20 mud terrain tires. Absolutely no doubt about it, it will fit. It clears front and rear. The only thing to watch out for is your front bumper. Sometimes it's a little close with the front bumper. However, if you have an aftermarket stubby bumper like that, not an issue at all. You can also run it with your front bumper, but it is close. Again, there's no trimming on the rear, no trimming on the front. So yes, you can fit a 37 with a 3.5-inch lift with some 20x12 wheels on your JL. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you want to buy this Jeep, if you're looking at the Jeep and you're saying, Michael, I want a red Jeep, I love the lift, I love the tires, I love the bumpers, but I don't want to have to go to the dealer, haggle about the price, buy the Jeep, bring it to you, get it lifted, I just want it all done at once. Luckily for you, we're going to start posting the inventory of our dealers on our website. So go to central-alps.com. You can scroll through all of the vehicles that are currently for sale at dealers' lots that you can call up and you can go buy today. Also, if you want any of these parts, whether it's the tires, the wheels, the bumpers, the lift, hoods, doors, antennas, go to our website, central-alps.com, and we would love to get your parts shipped out today. Again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.